Alright Facebook, today we have this pond being torn out. Going to be turning this into a pondless double waterfall. As you can tell, it's pretty black water, major leaks, hasn't run in a long time. I think we're going to be able to turn this into a little nice pondless waterfall. Stay tuned. Alright Facebook, it is day 2. We are on this pondless build, converting a very bad, nasty pond that hasn't been taken care of with lots of leaks, just a poor design all around. And we're sitting on the back patio looking out to where 2 nice, amazing waterfalls are going to be coming down, falling into gravel. A great application for people on the go, very, very low maintenance. As you can see, we've torn out the old pond, built a reservoir, and then filled in half this side. That's going to be a nice planter bed. We have 2 pumps. We have an Aqua Surge 4 to 8,000 running this waterfall, and then we're going to have an Aqua Surge 5,000 running this waterfall coming down. They're going to be split, cascading down into the middle, falling into a nice gravel, beautiful reservoir where the water just recirculates. No standing water, a great application for people on the go. Stay tuned. Water running by the end of the day. Hey Facebook, this is FNC Ponds. We're here at this pondless build. We did not get water running yesterday due to hazardous conditions, very extreme weather. Heavy rains came in, really just pretty much stopped us completely. But today we've got a huge start. We're already building the waterfalls. Should have water running and completed before lunch. As you can see, we got some good rock stacking. We're gonna have a nice smaller waterfall on the left, then the big main waterfall is gonna be up on the right, pumping about 5,000 gallons. 4,000 on the left. Gonna have a nice cascade into a main waterfall right here. Gonna be looking really good. Stay tuned. As promised, we've got water running before lunch. Waterfalls turned out really cool. They sound great. 9,000 gallons of water pumping over these 2 waterfalls. I would say it turned out pretty good. Pretty natural. What do y'all think? Pond to pondless.